If you're looking to buy a home in today's adjusting market, many of you might think, does home value still appreciate today in the South Bay area? Should I wait until the interest rates go down? What is the most crucial step I should take before even start shopping around? I'm going to go over 3 things you should know that will help you get a better idea what is going on in today's market and be more confident to start your buying journey. Watch to the end so you won't miss the most critical step before you start taking any actions. Number 1, home value still appreciates in many cities in the South Bay. You probably have heard people talking about the market slowing down. Well, what does it mean by slowing down? I want to encourage you to pay attention to what numbers they're referring to. If they're talking about median dates on market, in 2021, the market was extremely hot. The rates were historically low, around 3%. That's why the demand was strong. When properties came on the market in South Bay area in just 1 week, it's gone. No doubt it was challenging for most buyers to get their offers accepted in such a competitive market. But after rates went up to 6% in June 2022, many buyers just can't afford to buy anymore. So the demand softened. Those overpriced properties sit on the market for months and no offer comes in. Right now, the median days on market in South Bay area is almost 30 days. It absolutely takes longer to sell in 2022 compared to 2021. If they're talking about how many offers do homes usually get, in 2021, many properties would get 10 to 20 offers in a short period after they hit up market. Well, in 2022, it doesn't happen anymore. If homes are priced properly, they still get 2 or 3 multiple offers. You can see the market is still competitive because buyers are still interested in appealing and reasonably priced homes in South Bay. If they're talking about the price going down, be careful about this one. Probably it's just all those price reductions they see. The sellers still have a tendency to price high in the beginning because they really believe their home value and wanted to test the market. They realize that the market is shifting. They don't have any other choice but lower the price. The sold price might be lower than the original asking price, but the median sales price still went up by 1 to 5% compared to 2021 in many cities in South Bay. Experts say that most likely home value will continue to appreciate in the next 5 years. It won't be as crazy as 2021, but at a slower pace. Instead of looking at the market negatively, I want to encourage you to look at today's market as a rebalancing back into a normal market. Number 2, keep this phrase in mind. Marry the house, date the rates. So, marry the house. There's more inventory on the market right now. And as a buyer, you finally have more options to choose from. If you find the right house for you, there's less competition and it's easier to negotiate with the sellers, meaning there's a better chance for you to secure the house you like. Date the rates. Rates are not forever. They're always changing. If rates go up, you're going to be happy you locked in a lower rate. If rates go down, you can always refinance and lower your rates. For example, I purchased my home in 2016 and the rate was about 6%. In only 6 years, I had the opportunity to refinance twice to lower that rate. But if you wait, it could cost you thousands in lost home appreciation only waiting for rates to come down. I'm a firm believer that it is much more important to focus on your personal goals and circumstances, but not let the slowing down market or rising interest rates affect you too much when deciding to buy your next home. Number 3, The most crucial step you should take before you start shopping around is get pre-approved and know your numbers. Getting pre-approved is not something you can do online, but you need to work with a lender. They will ask for your past 2 years tax return and run your credit and calculate your debt to income ratio to figure out how much of a loan you will qualify for. And then they will provide you a pre-approval letter. Without a pre-approval letter, the seller won't even look at your offer. Of course, if you are an all-cash buyer, you don't need any pre-approval. Before you start shopping, it is very important to know the highest purchase price you can afford and the maximum number of monthly payments you feel comfortable with, or you might waste your time looking at something you can't even afford. Also, when you are in the position to negotiate with the seller about the purchase price, knowing your highest price would be very helpful to compete with other buyers. So, that touches a few of my tips for getting you to understand today's adjusting market. Next, you should watch my next video about the top 5 things home buyers worry about when shopping for home, but they really shouldn't.